Ready to take your adventures to the sky? Meet the FlyVista E88 mini drone with camera, the perfect blend of fun, functionality and ease for kids, adults and beginners alike. This drone doesn't just fly, it lets you soar, capturing stunning 1080p HD footage in real time. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a first-timer, this drone is packed with features to make flying a breeze. With 3 rechargeable batteries, you'll enjoy an impressive 30 minutes of flight time, perfect for capturing breathtaking views with its adjustable camera lens. The one-click takeoff or landing and altitude hold features mean you'll spend less time worrying and more time exploring. Plus, unleash your inner aerial acrobat with 360-degree flips and multiple speed options. Safe, sturdy and user-friendly, it's the ideal drone for endless fun. Want to see the world from above? Click the link to grab the FlyVista E88 today and elevate your adventures. Take flight like a pro with the Altitaco JY01 Pro drone with camera, the ultimate tool for high-speed, stable and super fun flying experiences. Imagine capturing jaw-dropping aerial views with a 1080p HD camera and sharing them instantly with your friends. Sounds amazing, right? Let me tell you more. This lightweight, foldable drone is perfect for on-the-go fun. With brushless motors, you get quieter flights, longer durability and faster speeds. Thanks to the optical positioning and headless mode, even beginners can achieve stable, precise flights. Plus, with voice and gesture control, you can command this drone hands-free for selfies or cool stunts like 360-degree flips. Make your flying dreams a reality. Click now to get your hands on the Altitaco JY01 Pro, where fun and innovation take flight. Say hello to endless fun with the Levovia foldable mini drone for kids, the ultimate starter drone for kids and beginners. Think flying a drone is hard? Think again. With one key start and altitude hold, this drone makes flying as easy as pressing a button. Packed with 360-degree flips and adjustable speeds, this drone turns every flight into an exciting adventure. Capture the moment with its 720p camera, while the compact foldable design ensures you can take it anywhere. And with 2 rechargeable batteries, the fun doesn't have to stop. Fly longer and higher. Why wait? Click now to bring home the Levovia mini drone and let your adventures take off. Get ready for an out-of-this-world flying experience with the VATE-PRTOYS90 foldable drone, your ticket to mastering the skies. Imagine performing 10-plus aerial stunts or capturing cinematic shots with its 1080p HD camera. Sounds like a dream, right? This foldable drone offers dynamic aerial acrobatics, a gesture selfie mode, and even gravity sensing controls for a unique flying experience. With 26 to 28 minutes of flight time from 2 rechargeable batteries, the fun never stops. Plus, safety features like propeller guards make it the perfect choice for beginners. Don't just fly, make memories. Grab the VATE-PRTOYS90 drone today and turn your backyard into a flight zone. Small, mighty and perfect for on-the-go adventures, the Bayo QSZ mini drone is here to elevate your fun. Whether you're snapping selfies or exploring the skies, this 1080p Wi-Fi FPV drone has you covered. Designed for beginners, it's super easy to use with one-click takeoff, landing and altitude hold. The foldable, lightweight design means you can carry it anywhere, while the 2 long-lasting batteries double your flight time. Capture incredible aerial footage and share your adventures instantly with its real-time video streaming. Ready to level up your flying game? Click below and get the Bayo QSZ mini drone today.